Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Just want to show off a quick little tip for the Schumacher line of buggies. And one of the most annoying things with Schumachers is that they use these tapered springs. So as you can see, they're kind of fatter on top and then they get skinnier on the bottom. And that's because they use these like silly little spring perches, which just kind of have like these little arms, or I don't know what you call them, little stubs that stick out and just kind of mate into the spring themselves. So they're taller on top, or wider on top, and shorter on the bottom. And I hate these for two reasons. One is that these things just don't stay on the shock rod ends very well. They kind of slip off. The second thing is I hate these little, three little teeth or whatever, these guides. They don't really stay on the spring all that well. They tend to kind of fall off. And so that is super annoying. Other thing I don't like about this is you can only buy Schumacher springs, right? Nobody else makes springs like this. So I figured out a fix for this so that you can run basically any standard 12mm spring. And as you can see here, I'm running a 12mm spring. These are associated springs up front and TLR springs here in the rear. And so all you got to do is pick up these. These are just associated spring cups. They fit exactly the same. They come in different heights, so if you want a little taller spring cup for maybe dirt cars, if you want a little lower one for like carpet cars, you can just pick up this part and slap them right on and they fit exactly the same. And then you can run any spring you want. Associated, TLR, X-ray, whatever the heck spring you want. I think they all fit, so yeah, I just want to show that off there. On the carpet cars, as you can see, I'm running the very flat ones, and there's still a tiny bit of gap between the arm and the spring cup, front and rear. So yeah, no issues running the really low ones if you're running carpet. The rear shocks are kind of short on this car, so with the TLR pink springs, for example, I do have the shock cap all the way up, and then this is gets down to about 14mm in ride height. If you need to get even lower, you may want to pick up other springs like X-ray. I think makes even shorter springs just to get enough adjustment. But with the pink springs, it does fit fine. Running like the Mikhail Orlowski kit setup. So yeah, just want to show that off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely like, share, subscribe, hit the add notifications button. Look for more videos soon, and thanks for watching.